Hello everyone. Today we will do some mathematical operation with Panda. So first I need to save the file. So I am putting here name mathematical operation.py. Then save the file. Then start writing the code. So first let me write the comment mathematical operation in pandas. So import pandas as pd. Then we'll use some values using array. So first is xpd.series and put the value, for example 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 or any. Then in y also pd.series, then some values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in the previous one it is 40, 40 to repetition, so make it 50, 60. Okay. Now the next is very simple. Use the third variable for a means I am using a to add the values. So if I print a, means that is the addition of x and y. So addition values of two series. And after that if I write the command print a, then output. So run the code. Okay, so addition value of two series you can check. It is. So now we need to display it in different manner because we know about data frame. So we'll use data frame here to display in different manner that will be more understandable. So pd.data frame. So first is x, second is y, and third is a. So it is nothing but x, comma y, comma a. And in index we will write for x, y, and a. So x, then y, then a. So x is nothing but we will write the values of x, then values of y, then the last is just addition value. So addition of x and y. So that is addition value of x and y. So we can write addition value x plus y. And after that print r. And if I run the code, oh, there is a problem. Data frame. Okay, so let me check. Okay, F is in small letter, so make it capital. Now save the file, run the code, and look at the output. Yes. So now you compare the output with the previous one. It is very much clear. Addition values of two series with index value of x, y, then addition value of x plus y. So like that we can do other operation. So I'm just copying it. Instead of addition we'll do multiplication, so I need to do changes in operator. Then in the comment section also product value of two series, then instead of addition it should be product value, or you can write multiplication value. So I'm writing product x multiply by y. Now look at the output. So similarly, you can do various operation with data. Thank you.